Hey guys, what is up? It's Bounty's Moto, and this is my first moto vlog. Ended up staying high on the RPMs because she's a little bit cold and want to warm her up some more. People, hi guys. That was awkward, but I feel nice for doing it. Oh, look at the pretty water. First motovlog ever. It's kind of awkward, but I get used to it. I'll kind of feel ashamed for posting this because I'm probably gonna look like a complete idiot, because once I said I am new to this. I started in August. First started riding, oh god, in August. Oh, that's sketchy. So I'm still learning, so I don't really do stuff right. Look at sheep. Hey sheep. Hello sheep. Hello sheepish. I'm going. You won't be able to catch me. So that's all for today's vlog, guys. Like, subscribe, comment if you want, and see you next time. Peace. That's all I got to bring to you.